This conference will now be recorded.
Hello and welcome to the ES Recap. Today's date is October the 16th, 2019. In front of you is the risk disclaimer. It just means there is risk involved. You should never invest money that you cannot afford to lose. Always keep risk management in mind. Understand that we are not CTAs or stands for Commodity Trading Advisors. So we take a look at the S&P 500. We can see the market at the top of the blue level, and we're expecting the market to fall to the bottom blue level off the monthly time frame, which is going to be about 1,864 ticks away. We go to the daily time frame. We have a high price in the sell zone. There is an up sub extension at 3024, so just be prepared for the market to potentially pop up before it falls. Ultimately, we are expecting the market to fall to the fib extension of 2730, which is about 840 ticks of bearish potential movement. And then from there, we're going to expect the natural wave movement to take place. We go to the 1 hour time frame. What we're patiently waiting for is a high price in the sell zone. We're looking to sell counter trend line, breaks bearish, stops above the previous high. We want to sell counter trend line, breaks bearish in the sell zone after the market touches 3024, eliminating the risk of the bullish push. If you have tunnel trader short, turn tunnel trader short on. Once you get into the sell zone after touching 3024, we're going to look to take the short trade all the way to 2730, which is about 840 ticks away, over 10,500 US dollars of opportunity, trading one E-mini contract. Hey everyone, it's Joshua Martinez.